Hello friends, welcome to Crochet Connect India. If you are new to my channel, please click on subscribe button below and subscribe to my channel. So let's start friend. First of all, we will make this rib for the wrist part. First of all, we will make a slip knot. Then we will make 10 chains. After making 10 chains, we will make 2 additional chains and we will make half double crochet from the third chain. We will make 10 half double crochets total in each space. We have to make half double crochets. After making 10 half double crochets, I will make 2 chains and flip the pattern. Now we will make half double crochet in this back loop. This is how you have to make total 10 half double crochets. After making these 10 half double crochets, we will make 2 chains and again we will start making half double crochet in the back loop. Already 2 rows I have done. I will make total 15 rows. You can increase or decrease the number of rows as per the length of your as per the desired length for your wrist. I am making total 15 rows like this. I have made total 15 rows of this back loop crochet. You will see like this. It is covering my wrist. You can increase or decrease as per the size of your wrist. After making this, we will insert a crochet hook here. Take this out. I will attach it like this. This is how we have to attach in all the spaces. After joining all the loops, I will flip this wrist part and then we will make 2 chains, and in each space here I will start making half double crochet. As we have made 15 rows, so total we will have 30 double crochets. That means your half double crochets will be in the multiple of 2 of these rows. If you have make 12, then it will be 24, and if you have make 15, it will be 30. You have to make half double crochet in each space here, and at the end of this row you will have 30 half double crochets. After making 30 half double crochets, we will join here with the slip stitch. Then we will make 2 chains, and then we will start making half double crochet in each space. In this row also we will have total 30 half double crochets. This is the second row we are making, and you have to repeat till your length reach here till the thumbs up. I have made total 7 rows, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 rows of half double crochets. You can increase or decrease as per the length of your wrist till you reach here thumbs up. After making these 7 rows of half double crochets, we will make a space for a thumb here. We will make 2 chains, then we will make 12 half double crochets. Two, 3, 9, 10, 11 and 12. After making 12 double crochet half double crochets, we will make 3 chains. We will skip here 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and in this 7th space we will make half double crochet, and again one we have made, we will make 11 more half double crochets on this side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11 and 12. Then again here we will join it with the help of slip stitch. Make 2 chains, and then we will start making half double crochets. Till here we will make 12 half double crochets. After making 12 half double crochets, in this space we will make 3 half double crochets, and here again we will start making 12 half double crochets. And after this we will make rows of half double crochets over this, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. I am making 6 as per it will reach here my fingers. You can increase or decrease the number of rows as per your wish. For making a bow, we will make a slip knot. Then we will make 50 chains. 4 5. You have to make total 50 chains. After making 15 chains, I will cut thread from here and we will, after making this chain, we will sew here with the help of a sewing pin. If you like my video, please click on like button, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends who are doing crocheting. Happy crocheting. Thank you.